Sometimes you really don't feel like spending more than 10 to 15 minutes when you cook. And I totally agree with you. So today, I'm going to show you how to achieve that cooking speed with this recipe and still get all your nutrients and stay healthy. I have a store-bought pasta pack with cheese dried broccoli sauce. The cheese sauce is basically Parmesan cheese and corn flour with all the spices. Also, onions, fresh ginger, and garlic for your aromatics, and salt and seasoning, and beef for protein. You can use any pasta of your choice. The 15 minutes starts now. Turn on the heat, let your pan get really hot. Drizzle a bit of vegetable oil, drop in your marinated beef. Flip each side till done. Remove your beef from the pan and set it aside. Put in your sliced onions, ginger, garlic, and all your spices, salt for your wonderful aromatics flavor. In the same pan, since it's a one-pan recipe, mix, then deglaze your pan with a bit of water, about a cup depending on your pasta, and mix. Once it comes to a boil, add your pasta, cheese, sauce, mix, and allow it cook for about 3 to 4 minutes. Now put back your pan-fried beef and just add a bit of pepper for that heat. Mix it. The cheese sauce is so smooth and silky. I just added some slices of tomato. You can garnish yours with any veggies of your choice. It's so simple, quick, and of course super yummy. You can make this meal any time of the day. So please recreate and keep watching Fofolicious Food Bites. Thank you.